Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a rainbow cube. So for this, you're going to start off with a square piece of paper. You're going to take one of the edges and you're going to fold it to this edge. And you will crease well. You will now open this up and you will see a line in the center. Now you're going to take this edge and you're going to fold it to this edge. And you will once again crease well. Now you will take this edge and you're going to fold it into the center crease. You're going to take this edge and you're going to fold it to the center crease. Now that you've done this, you're going to fold this in and crease it. You're going to open it and you're going to fold it back and you're going to crease it. Now you're going to open it up. You'll see 1, 2, 3 creases and 1 down the center. Next, you're going to take one corner and you're going to make it touch this line, like this. And then you're going to take the opposite corner and do it. And you do not want to do it with these two corners. And make sure the corners you do it with are opposite to each other. Now you're going to fold this back in. And this one back in. Next step is you're going to take this corner, you're going to fold it to this edge. So take this, crease it on this line, and fold. Now you're going to take this edge and crease it on here. You will crease well. Next, you will open it up. You have these two diagonal lines and this line down the center. Next, you're going to take this flap and put it inside here, like this. After that, you're going to take this flap and put it inside here. So you're going to poke this all the way up. You're going to squeeze it in like this. After that, you're going to pop this up like this. You'll crease, and then like this. Next, you open it up and you'll have this on this side and this on this. So you're going to put it to this edge, and you're going to take this corner and fold it to this. You'll crease. Then you're going to take this one and put it to here and crease. And then it will look like this. Now you're going to make 5 more of these. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we're going to combine this so it turns out like a box. Like here, we made a box. We combined these 6 parts together. So I'm going to take one of the parts, like I took this, and I'm going to take one and I'm going to put it in this flap, like that. It will look like this. Next, I'm going to take another flap. I'm going to slide it through here. Now, one important note is every one of these flaps will go into one of these pockets. So you have to make sure that it's kind of like a puzzle that you're putting together. Now you're going to take this, you're going to slide it in here. So it might be a little tricky, like see that one was almost coming off. So we're going to combine this. This will create our corner. So we have a corner right here. You're going to make sure it's nice and tight corner. Now we're going to take another one of our pieces. We're going to slide it in. So maybe I'm going to slide it in here. Okay, now I'm going to take this flap. I'm going to put it in here. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to squeeze it in. And that's it. So we've got one too. Now I'm going to take this one and I'm going to slide it in there. So if some of them don't do it well enough, like this one didn't do well enough, then you can just leave it and go to the next one and it will eventually fit in. So I'm going to take, let's just say, this one. Now I'm going to put it in here. I'm going to put this here. Take this one and then you find out, oh, it didn't go there, it went here. Then you understand why it wasn't going. So it's like a puzzle that you're putting together. Now, for the last one, we're going to take our blue one, slide it here, and we're going to take these flap outwards. I'm going to put this on like this, and we're going to slide it in the red part. So our cube will now have a kind of a lid. Now to finish up with these flaps, we're going to put it in here. And this one here by making sure this flaps up, this is in, and putting it in, and shaping it, making sure everything's in properly, and then your rainbow cube will be ready. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.